Welcome to our comprehensive guide on shipping your car to Jamaica. Whether you're relocating or simply sending a vehicle for vacation, we've got all the details you need to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Jamaica, known as the land of wood and water, is a beautiful island with diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. Shipping a car to Jamaica ensures you have your vehicle ready to explore stunning beaches, lush mountains, and bustling cities. Selecting the right shipping company is crucial. Look for a company that specializes in international car transport like A1 Auto Transport. They handle everything from logistics to legalities, ensuring your car arrives safely and on time. Here's a quick rundown of the shipping process. Get a quote. Understand the costs involved, including shipping, insurance, and customs duties. Prepare documentation. Gather your vehicle's title, registration, and a notarized bill of sale. Transport to port. Your car will be inspected and loaded into a container for ocean transport. Customs clearance. Upon arrival in Jamaica, the vehicle will go through customs with import duties and taxes applied. Shipping costs and times can vary. Here are some examples. New York to Montego Bay, $275 ground plus $3,600 ocean, 15 days. Los Angeles to Kingston, $350 ground plus $3,200 ocean, 20 days. Miami to Montego Bay, $925 ground plus $3,600 ocean, 17 days. In Jamaica, your car must adhere to local regulations. Key documents include passport, import license, title, proof of ownership, tax compliance certificate. Ensure you are familiar with Jamaican import laws and any restrictions on vehicle age and type. Ready to ship your car to Jamaica? Contact A1 Auto Transport for expert assistance and a stress-free experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on international car shipping.